Okay, good morning everyone. Getting ready to start off day 38, leaving Tri-Knob Shelter. Rain stopped late yesterday evening, didn't rain during the night, which was good. Everything's still wet and now the wind has come in, so it's going to be breezy, chilly today. But just going to go about a little over 7 miles to the next shelter. Otherwise, I'd have to go 14 to the following shelter, and I don't believe I'm up for that quite yet. So let's get on down the trail and see what day 38 holds. Definitely starting off better than yesterday. Can see some views actually, even though a little misty, but pretty. So hopefully good views for the rest of the day. Trail for day 38. Amazing how having great views to look at just lifts your spirits and you don't mind the climbs. Wind and views look to be the formula for day 38. Loving the views. Run across this on the side of the trail knowing that there's no roads anywhere. Makes you wonder how in the world did someone get this up here. Oh well, more mysteries to find. Day 38 continues with great views along the trail. One mile left for the day to get to the Cosby Knob shelter and one last hill to climb. See you down the trail. Okay, now one last hill to climb. These fault summits will get to you after a while. Okay, made it to Cosby Knob shelter. It's about 7.6 mile hike for the day. Can't go on that extra 7. I took a step back there and my right leg said, nope, we're not going any further. So get down here, get rested up and see how it goes. We'll see if there's anything else from the shelter. But other than that, day 38 comes to the end at Cosby Knob Shelter.